Good morning, everybody. Prospector Gil here. First off, I'd like to say thank you to everybody that has subscribed. I really appreciate the support. On that note, tell your friends, tell the neighbor, tell the guy you work with, tell the girl you work with. Hey, check out Prospector Gil on YouTube. There's a pretty cool video that's going to be happening here shortly. We are going to be out on our claims in Colorado very soon. So interesting stuff is going to happen there. All different types of scenarios, I guess, that's going to happen. At least I hope. We'll see. Lots of land to look at. Lots of stuff to do. Lots of things to see. It's going to be exciting. So anyway, the video you are going to be watching right now is High Banker build part number 2. Just me kind of doing the time lapse thing. So got a few minutes, grab a cup of coffee or have a cigarette, whatever you do, and sit back and watch it. I appreciate your time. Have a good day, everybody. Prospector Gil out.